Hello friends, today I will teach you how to find the volume and surface area of cylinder and cone. So let's first talk about cylinder. So as you can see in the picture given, there is a circle and it is stretched up to the height edge. So it becomes a cylinder with height h and the d is diameter, or we can say r is radius. So how to find the area of it? Volume of it. So if I take a circle, a 2D shape or a square, they have no volume. Why? Because they have no height. So if I take this circle and stretch it up to a height h, so height h, so what will the volume of it now? The area of base, that is circle, into height, means volume equal to area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square and into h. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now surface area. If this is a cylinder and I cut it from here and open it, so it will look like a rectangle with a height edge, no breadth edge, because this is edge and I cut it from here, so this is only the breadth, that is edge. Now what will be the length? Length will be this, circumference of circle, because if I open this, if this is a circle, or I open this, so this equal to this, the circumference of the circle, and circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So surface area is 2 pi r h. But this is lateral surface area, not the full total surface area, because we have not added the area of the base and the top circle. Both we have not added. So it is curved surface area or lateral, because we have only surface area of this side portion, not the up and base and the top. So to find total surface area, that is TSA, total surface area, we will add the area of both circles, up and down, base and the top. So 2 pi r h, that is side curved surface area, plus 2 pi r square. Why 2 pi r square? 2 pi r square is area of one circle. Two circles, so 2 pi r square. Now we will take common 2 pi r and h plus r here. So this is the formula of total surface area of cylinder. Now let's talk about cone. So as you can see in the picture, this is the cone and this is lateral height and this is height and this is radius r from the center, and height is perpendicular from the center of this, it is height. So if we want to take out the surface area of this cone, how we will take? If I cut it from here, this side, it will look like this. And this is the lateral surface of this, L. If we see this is the L. Now how to find the L? L equal to root h square plus r square. Why? Because if we see, h is this, r is this, and L lateral surface is this. So now it is looking like a right angle triangle. So we will put Pythagoras theorem. So by this we get the L. So to take out surface area, curved surface area of this, not the plus base, curved surface area, we will divide this into 8. This is a derivation only, because formula I can tell. So there are 8 pieces, and now arrange them in a rectangle form. So now if we can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and half of 1 8. So now we look this, so it will look approximately like a rectangle with breadth L. What is the length? Length is the arc. If you see this length of arc, that is pi r. So now a surface area, curved surface area equal to area of rectangle, that is L into pi r, that is pi r L. So this is curved surface area, means this curved surface area, not total surface area. How we will find? We will add the area of the base circle, this. So pi r L plus pi r square. Now we will take common pi r, so L plus r. This is formula total surface area of a cone. Now if we talk about the volume of cone, so how we will find that? We can do this practically. Like if we take a cone like this of height h and radius r of the base, and take another cylinder with same radius, that is r, that is same, and the same height h. So if we fill this cone with sand or water and pour this cone and pour this water into this or sand into this, so the first time we will put only 1/3 of it will be filled, second time 2/3, and the third time full cylinder will be filled. So what we can take out, what is the result? That the volume of cone equal to 1/3 the volume of cylinder. And what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Simple. This volume has no derivation. We can do this practically only. So in this video I tell you about how to find out the volume of cone and cylinder and surface area of them. In next video I will tell how to find the surface area and volume of sphere. So thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe it and like it. Thank you.